Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into We Work Remotely easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type We Work Remotely into the search bar. Click on the official We Work Remotely website link. Once the site loads, look for the login option. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the site to process your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your user dashboard. From here, you can browse job listings or manage your profile. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support. You are now ready to explore opportunities on We Work Remotely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.